Get noticed in this 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.